Brigit Express Loan Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Brigit Express Loans. Links to the product are included in the description below for easy access. Let's get into what makes Brigit a unique option for those in need of fast, short-term financial assistance and whether it's the right fit for you. Brigit is a financial app designed to provide fast access to emergency loans with a focus on people who need a quick cash boost without relying on traditional credit checks. With Brigit, you can borrow amounts typically ranging from $50 to $250, and the entire process is fully digital. The money is sent directly to your account, often within the same day or the next business day, making it an ideal solution for those facing urgent bills or unexpected expenses. One of the key features of Brigit is its automatic cash advance option. Unlike many other loan providers, Brigit doesn't require you to manually apply for a loan each time. Instead, the app tracks your spending habits and alerts you when you may be eligible for an instant cash advance, making it a convenient and hands-off experience. This feature helps avoid late fees and offers an extra layer of financial security when cash flow is tight. Brigit is specifically designed for individuals with low to moderate credit scores, making it more accessible for people who may not qualify for traditional bank loans. It also doesn't charge interest on its advances, which is a major advantage over payday loans. However, it does charge a monthly membership fee, which is important to consider when evaluating its overall affordability. The app also offers budgeting tools and credit score tracking, which can help you improve your financial habits over time. While Brigit is a great tool for managing short-term financial needs, users should be aware that it's best used for occasional borrowing rather than long-term financial support. In summary, Brigit Express loans are perfect for those who need quick, low-cost access to funds without the complications of traditional loans. If you're interested in learning more or getting started, the links are in the description below.